Christ. Actually, yung mga kabataan po ngayon na nakikita po ninyo, as part of the youth ministry actually. Pero bakit ako dito kasi kahit sila. Actually, yung mga kabataan na to, they want to bring back all the glory and honors to our Almighty Father because God gave them talents. That's why they're here to share their talents to all of you, my brethren. Actually, nagbuo na rin sila ng pangalan ng kanilang banda para kay God. They call themselves Ages of the New Generation. A because A stands for Ashrak, we're gonna play for us the keyboard. And J is for John, who play for us the bass, guitar. And Ashwell, the twin brother of Ashrak, who gonna play for us the guitar also. And of course, S for Sean, who will play for us the drums. To God be the glory. Ages of the new generation, it is also a part of the youth ministry. Huh? To God be the glory. So we're gonna play for God's glory to bring back all the glory and honors from Almighty Father. Huh? Amen. Sabayan niyo po ako, my brethren.